the public has largely shaken off its distrust for online services. Consumption is growing, along with users' appetite for the creation of new services and continuous feature development. But millions of useful and popular web applications still have inadequate protection. This provides opportunities for hackers to take advantage of vulnerabilities, either to disrupt operations or steal private information from both companies and ordinary users. Your customers put a high value on the personal information they entrust to you. Using an online service should not put that data at risk. To help you identify and eliminate the code flaws that put this type of private information and your entire network at risk, Positive Technologies has created PT Application Inspector. This simple yet powerful tool helps unite the efforts of information security experts and developers at all stages of the app lifecycle. It enables a quick and flexible workflow so your teams can work securely, even under tight deadlines and with rapidly changing demands. The parameters for each check can be configured easily, reducing the scan time and the amount of effort spent analyzing results. Results include detailed descriptions of any vulnerabilities detected, the conditions required for each one to be exploited, and recommendations for eliminating the weaknesses. The vulnerable code is represented as a simple and visually appealing block diagram. The data flow model allows you to track exactly how data passes through the application, from the entry point to when it reaches the vulnerable execution point. This helps your information security team to verify the results efficiently. To confirm the existence of each vulnerability and figure out the likelihood of it being used to mount a successful attack, PT Application Inspector uses automatically generated test queries called exploits. These help information security teams to prioritize remedial action and identify the exact steps required. Each vulnerability is automatically checked against exploits to reduce the time spent on manually checking reports. A combination of static, dynamic, and interactive testing techniques is used to get the highest quality of security assessment. PT Application Inspector examines the application configuration. It also detects vulnerabilities in third-party components, helping to eliminate false positives. Integration with PT Application Firewall allows you to reduce the risks associated with using an insecure application while its code is being corrected. PT Application Inspector automatically exports its test results to PT Application Firewall, which in turn blocks any attacks based on the detected vulnerabilities. If your application needs to be certified, PT Application Inspector can help you to achieve compliance with requirements of regulating authorities and international industry standards. If code acceptance is a task of particular importance, Positive Technologies specialists can perform security assessments of your code using PT Application Inspector and provide expert analysis of the scan results. Introducing security into the development lifecycle makes interaction between information security specialists and developers much more efficient. PT Application Inspector SSDL Edition works with developer-friendly practices and tools. Scan results appear as annotation to the source code in your familiar development environment, without the need to switch screens or use additional consoles. PT Application Inspector's advantages include automation of the code acceptance process, high-quality and precise security assessments, and detailed reports. These all help to ensure productive interaction between information security specialists and developers, which can dramatically reduce labor costs and allow developers to create more secure applications.